Hey, so we're here today with a young client, a young person. She is going to get a silk press. This is such a good example because many times you're trying to hydrate your hair and press it out and get that shine. Well, I'm going to show you how you can do it not only on your hair as a mom or aunt or grandmother, but you can do it on your daughter, your grandmother, your granddaughter, your niece's hair. So I'm going to show you that technique. It's really simple, very few products. So first I'm going to go to the bowl. We're going to get her shampoo. We're using 5 products today. We're going to use the Silk Shampoo by It's a 10, the Silk Treatment Conditioner by It's a 10, and then we're going to follow that with a leave-in detangler and conditioner, a polishing cream, which is going to go in before the blow dry, a little spray, and then we're going to finish. We're going to use this twice during the blow dry and at the end. So we'll show you all those steps. Right now we're going to go to the bowl, get her shampooed, and we'll be right. So we're back with our young client here who's going to get the silk press. I just want to give you a tip, and this is one of the things about being a professional or consulting with a professional, because I went in initially with the It's a 10 combo, the silk press shampoo and conditioner, which normally works for my silk press clients. However, she was a little drier than most, so I had to go in with the moisture recovery, add that to the cocktail. And how I did that was I let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes with the cap or without, it doesn't matter, but let it sit for 20, 30 minutes, and it softened her hair shaft really good. So now we're gonna go in with the product that I love to use. Well, first we gotta use, which is it's the Miracle Milk by Mizani. This is gonna be good for people with natural hair, relaxed hair, any hair type, any hairstyle. If you just need to detangle or you want a leave-in moisture or conditioner, this is where you want to go. Alrighty, I just want to show you real quick a little tip on detangling, especially children's hair. You always want to start from the end after we've done everything, shampoo, conditioner, we've added our product, the detangling spray. You always want to start from your ends up the hair shaft. You want to start with the same technique from the ends and work your way up. Alright, so just to recap, we are back with our silk press client. We have already done the shampoo, conditioner. Remember, we went in with the treatment, we cocktailed it with our moisture recovery. Then we came back, sprayed it good with our detangler and leave-in conditioner. Added a little hair polisher just to seal in that moisture. Then just before we fully dried it under the dryer, I sprayed a little of this just to seal in that and give it shine. So I'm going to go in and just spray a little, and this is all the product we're going to use on her. Just a little bit more. So we don't need all the heavy oil, all the people that are using heavy greases. I mean, if that's what you like, you can do it, but you don't need it necessarily to do the silk press. You want it to be shiny, straight, but you want it to have body. So this is where we're now going to go in and press and then clip her ends, and we'll be back. We've gone in to do a press. Now, for the silk press, many people kind of get confused about what it may be. A silk press can be different depending on what stylist or city or state you're in. So for me, I tend to still use the press and comb. Many stylists just use the flat iron for the silk press. Either one is fine, it just depends on the result. The result is what we're looking for, which is a smooth, silky, textured hair. That's really the result. Some people still go in the press and comb like me because I like to get the roots and really get straight on the roots. Sometimes the flat iron does not get all the way down, and sometimes the flat iron gives you doesn't smooth it out as well as the press and comb. So I'll do it all the way through with the press and comb. Then I'll go in with the flat iron to finish the look. So now we're gonna clip her ends. Now our mom has said, well, we wanna clip them, but not too much. Now some people say, clip it down to the meat. You'll hear some professionals say that. And if I were to do that for her, I just put a little paper so you can see. If I were to cut her down to where she really needed to go, I would be cutting her to about right here at least. Possibly up to here, but that's quite a bit, but definitely here. So, because all of this up to there is split, but her mom wants to preserve as much as she can, and as she can, and that's fine. So we're just going to go right in here just to kind of get some evenness, because if you can see, it's split all the way through, which is common, especially for young girls that are wearing braids a lot. So So we're gonna go in, clip her ends good. We're gonna go in flat iron, and then we're gonna be all set. We'll be back. All right, and we are all done. So we're finished. I'm gonna do the big reveal for her and let her see, and let's see what she thinks.
Wow. I like it.
You like it? Oh, cool. I'm glad you do. Alrighty, so that's our silk press here on our young model, but this can be done on anybody with natural hair. So hope to see you next time.